Welcome back again to another video. It is another beautiful day to thank God. One Africa, one love, one nation. Today we are going to see the progress on the construction of Haile Selassie Pedestrian Underpass, constructed along roundabout on Uhuru Highway. And if you like such kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The Kenya National Highway Authority (KENHA) initiated the construction of a pedestrian underpass at the Haile Selassie roundabout on Uhuru Highway to enhance pedestrian safety and alleviate traffic congestion. This underpass, part of the Green Park Terminus Pedestrian Underpass network, is being developed at an estimated cost of Kenya shilling 2 billion. It will feature 24 hours shops and stores with police presence to ensure security. The project aims to provide a safe crossing between Nairobi's Central Business District and the Green Park Terminus, benefiting commuters traveling to Upper Hill and adjacent areas. The underpass is designed to accommodate over 21,000 pedestrians who use the Uhuru Highway Haile Selassie intersection daily, with an approximately 8,500 crossing during peak hours. During the construction period, KENHA implemented traffic management measures to minimize disruptions. Motorists were advised to follow the proposed traffic management plan and to cooperate with police and traffic marshals on the site. Upon completion, the underpass is expected to significantly improve pedestrian safety and traffic flow in the area,